Well, hello. Today I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful quote in brush lettering. So, I'll tell you the stepwise details and I'll also share how to create grid before writing anything. So, let's start. First of all, I am taking my brush pens. Just keep in mind that the background colors would be lighter than the ones you will be using in the foreground. We start by holding a brush pen and a scale, and we'll be marking some diagonal lines. It's absolutely up to you how many colors you want to use here. Also, using a scale is absolutely optional. Initially I used the scale here, but later, because the tip of the brush pens was soft, I switched to marking the diagonal lines free-handed. Now here we have just finished the line marking and the diagonals have turned out pretty uniform even after you creating some free-handed lines. Now I'll teach you how to create some grid lines so that you can make a good layout in the center of the sheet. So starting from the extreme left, I start drawing some lines using my scale. Keep in mind to create very light colored lines because you'll not be able to erase it later if the lines are dark. Again, from the extreme right, I'll create some more lines towards the left. Once you've done the vertical lines, we'll start with the horizontal lines. Now we have some grid lines to mark the center of the sheet. So just count the number of words in your quote and adjust them accordingly. So this was a 4-word quote, so I started writing from the second line. Then the third, fourth and fifth line would also contain different words. Since the quote was good things take time, I started from good from the second line. The word things here would be started from the third line, and good was in complete capitals and things is in lowercase letters. Creating a pencil layout always helps you in making a planned work. So just go with the pencil first and then draw it with the brush pens or whatever medium you are doing it. Now I wrote the third word take again in capitals, and the fourth word is time, which I'll start from here and again in lowercase letters. Now we start finalizing this with our brush pen. Mine is very flexible, but still I'll put a little bit lesser pressure because I don't want the words to be very thick. I want them to be in a medium range. So just be mindful with the pressure, and these two capital words I am writing with the violet pen. Now these two words, the leftovers, will be written in black. Again in the medium thickness. The next step is completely optional. Here I'll be outlining the words with golden glitter pen. You can outline it with black as well, or any other color for that purpose. Just keep in mind that the color is contrasting and makes your word highlighted. Now using my white jelly roll pen, I'm creating patterns inside the words. This one is also optional, so if you don't have a jelly roll pen, you can keep the base color as a light one, and you can use a glitter pen or something for these patterns. Use whatever is available with you and be resourceful with your material. Now using my purple jelly roll, I am again creating a line pattern on the word things, and for a cheaper option you can go for a glitter pen which just costs ₹10. Now the final step is to simply erase the background lines and you're good to go. Your artwork is now done, and I hope you enjoyed today's session. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Take care.